Need to send someone's phone number or email address to another person. Google Contacts makes it easy to share contact information across different devices. In this tutorial, I'll show you several simple ways to share contacts using Google Contacts and your mobile device. Start by opening Google Contacts in your web browser and signing in with your Google account. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the contact that you want to share. Before sharing, open the contact and make sure the information is correct. Check the phone number, email address, and any other details you want to send. Google Contacts doesn't include a direct share button on the web version. Instead, select the contact, open the More Actions menu, and choose Export. Then select the vCard format if you're sharing with another phone or most contact apps. Once the vCard file has been downloaded, attach it to an email, send it through a messaging app, or upload it to cloud storage. The recipient can simply open the file and import the contact onto their device. If you're using the Contacts app on Android, so open the contact, tap the share option, then choose how you'd like to send it. This is usually the quickest method because Android automatically creates the contact file for you. Finally, ask the recipient to open the shared contact file and save it to their contacts. Once it's imported, the contact will be available just like any other saved contact. And that's it. You now know how to share contacts using Google Contacts. Whether you export a vCard from your computer or use the share feature on your phone, sending contact information is fast and simple. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and thanks for watching.